Reisopack are a strapping systems manufacturer based in Barcelona, Spain. Established in 1992, they have developed a reputation in Europe as a reliable strapping system supplier and are now breaking ground in the USA. EAM-Mosca exclusively supplies Reisopack strapping systems and OEM parts to customers in the US, Canada, Mexico, and Brazil. At EAM-Mosca, we view service and support as an integral part of our complete system approach. All our services and programs are designed to keep your equipment running at maximum efficiency to minimize costly downtime and interruptions that may result from unexpected equipment problems. Our operator cycle machine options, such as the 2820 and the 2830 horizontal strapping machine, is designed to cover markets with low production. Features include a rechargeable battery for maximum convenience. Ideal for producers who palletize by hand. This machine can be moved to the pallet. Manually strap pallets horizontally from 135 mm from the ground up to 2,400 mm. The 2903 semi-automatic strapping machine is designed to cover markets with high production, up to 70 pallets per hour. The 2903 can be used as a standalone machine or integrated into an existing line. The touchscreen can store up to 10 different strap patterns, and strapping can be done from any height 127 mm above the ground. The 2905 fully automatic strapping machine is designed to cover markets with high production, capable of processing up to 60 pallets per hour. Features for the 2905 include automatic corner board detection and placement for increased product protection. The 2913 is a fully automatic strapping machine that is designed to cover markets with high production, processing up to 70 pallets an hour. The 2913 can move laterally between up to 4 strapping stations for maximum uptime, as well as strap up to 20 different heights on the same pallet and store up to 50 strap programs using the intuitive touchscreen control. The 2915 fully automatic strapping machine is designed to cover markets with high production, up to 60 pallets per hour. The 2915 offers features such as automatic corner board detection and placement for increased product protection. It can also move laterally between up to 4 strapping stations for maximum uptime. Ready to learn more about the Reisopack line of horizontal strapping systems? Contact us today at eammosca.com and chat with a representative.